Hello, everybody. Hi, everybody. My name is Kim Bradley. I am currently working in underwriting, in medical underwriting, and hope to be able to use my knowledge there and education there to apply to my future endeavors working in social work, medical arenas. My favorite course so far has been interpersonal processes where I learned a lot of different ways to communicate and help others communicate effectively with one another. Uh, the thing I am not most looking sorry the thing I'm most looking forward to in this class is learning more about history and how policies are formed and the effects of the policies have on the social and economic justice. Um, Based on what I've read so far, it looks like this course will be very informative and teach new and interesting ways, exciting ways of thinking about government, race, ethnicity, and culture. Thank you. Look forward to working with all of you. Thank you for watching my video.